Hey folks, this video covers how to stream sports, movies, and TV shows from your iPhone through the Firestick to your big screen TV. See my description for a how-to for Android devices. This process comes in handy if you forget to pay your internet bill or lack a TV service. Get ready to follow along because this is the future of TV. To start off, select the home button on your remote, press in the microphone and say AirScreen. AirScreen. Of course, if you don't have the microphone button, you can just type it in by selecting the magnifying glass next to home. Once that comes up, open it up. We'll start by downloading it. It is a Fire TV app, so you don't have to worry about any config changes. Once it downloads, it'll automatically start installing. And once it installs, it'll give you the option to open. Alright. Okay, we can go ahead and click right on Start Now. Now at this point, it's a good idea to rename it because the default name it gives is a little weird. So you can do that by going down to Settings, and that'll be the first option. So we are gonna delete that, and since it's downstairs, I will call mine Den, and we can click OK. From the home screen, this is what the app looks like. So we'll go ahead and select it. At this point, we're going to use our iPhone. We're going to slide up from the bottom, choose screen mirroring. Our AirPlay should show right up. As we can see,
fracture glass prints are for first.
That must have been a pop-up, so we hit back and back to get out of that. Now if you turn on advanced settings in AirPlay, it'll actually get rid of any pop-ups like that, but really when I first connect, that's the only pop-up I'm seeing so far. So I'm going to click the home button. From here you can play anything from an application that you have. You can use any homemade videos. You can go out to the internet. For this test, we're going to go out to the internet, so I'm going to open up Safari. I'm going to go to ustvgo.net. This is actually a website that has everything that you can stream on it. I'm pretty new to it, so I can't really go too far in depth. But what I know it has, we can filter out sports. Excuse me. And I'm looking for CBS. I don't see it, so I'm going to search for it. And we got it right there at the top. Select that. So right off the bat, we're going to see it start playing. And this is what it's actually showing. So by hitting the speaker button, we should be able to hear the sound, although I have my sound all the way down. And if we turn it sideways, we should be able to get it so we can actually see it. And there we go. So pretty cool. If you have any questions, reach out in the comments. Otherwise, subscribe for future updates. Take care.